Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Children, today we are going to start preposition of direction. It indicates movements. Let's have some examples. Into the box. Here the rat is going into the box from outside. Out of the box, it is coming out from the box. Around the box, taking round around the box. Fly away from the box means going away from the box. Toward the box means coming towards the box. Next is past the box means passing or crossing near the box. Next is on to the box. This means from down to on the box. Next is off the box means getting off the box. Next is over the box, which means jumping over the box without touching it to the other side. Next is under the wall, which means going from under the wall without touching it. Next, through the pipe means from inside the pipe. Next, across the bridge from one side to the other side. Our next preposition is up. Up means going in the upward direction. And next is down. Down means coming down to the downward direction. To, into, towards, onto, along, across, around, up, down, through, away, off, over, from, past are some of the prepositions which are commonly known as preposition of direction. Now let's start with the preposition to. To indicates movement in direction of a person, building, place or country. For bed also we use to. For example, he is going to meet doctor. Raman went to school. I am going to Delhi. She is going to bed. In all these four statements, a person is going either towards another person or to a place. Therefore, to is used here. Into is used to show that a person or something is entering a building or a place. For example, he jumped into the pool. They went into the hall. The rat goes into the hat. In all these three statements, something or a rat or some person is going into some other place, entering the other building or place. Next preposition is onto. Onto represents movement to a position on a surface or moving to the top of something. For example, I slipped off as I stepped onto the station. The frog hopped onto the bed. The given examples tell that the person or a thing is moving on the top of something else. Our next preposition is towards, which tells that something is moving in the direction of someone or something. For example, he passed the papers towards me. Don't go towards the crowd. In the first sentence, the person is asking to pass the papers towards him, and the papers were moving from one person to the other person. Don't go towards the crowd. In this sentence, we are checking someone to move towards the crowd. Our next preposition is across. Across shows movement from one side of something to the opposite side. Generally, it is used with river or road, etc. For example, he can swim across the river. They walked across the road. In these examples, person is crossing the river or crossing the road. Our next preposition is along. Along means movement of something in a straight line. For example, they were walking along the beach. Means side by side to the beach they were walking. Many cars were parked along the roadside. Means many cars were parked in a line along the roadside. Our next preposition is over. It indicates movement at a higher level than something else or something covered by something else. For example, rescue helicopters dropped food packets over the village. I put a shawl over my shoulder.